Hello and welcome to another video about Google Education, and today we are going to take a look to Google Docs. So once again, on the Google page, you go on the 9 little dots right here and you click on Docs. This is where you're going to be able to write everything you need to. So you click on this one, so it's a new one, completely empty. You can write the title here, there it is. You can type. So if you know Microsoft Word, it's basically the same thing. You have everything to change your text, make it looks good. Oops. The colors and everything. So you can just take a look to everything in here, and then you can share it with teachers or anybody. There you go. Google Docs.